Hi everybody, welcome to the Vegas Vegan. My name is Christina. I take restaurant recipes and I veganize them here on my channel.
Happy Veganuary, everyone! I thought I'd start the month off right by creating this beautiful restaurant recipe. It's quick and easy. Asian sesame chicken salad. Veganized. Subscribe. This is one of our more popular signature salads, and you can see why. In a few short steps, we're going to recreate this restaurant recipe, and we're going to make our chicken in the air fryer, which is going to cut all kinds of time. To veganize this recipe, simply add 3 chickenless tenders by Gardein into your air fryer. I set the air fryer temperature at 370 degrees for about 5 minutes. Then I add my entire package of coleslaw mix to a large mixing bowl. And once my chickenless tenders are ready, I just simply cut them up into bite-sized pieces. I'm just visually tasting here to make sure that my chickenless chicken is heated throughout, because this is an entree salad and you want your meat hot and your salad cold to make for a really satisfying taste experience. We're adding some sesame seeds and some mixed nuts to the salad. Then we're adding our crunchy wontons. All the products I'm using here today are vegan. My Ken's Asian sesame dressing, and liberally pour that throughout the salad. Then you're gonna take your customized utensils, thank you Mydra.com, and you're gonna toss it up. Toss it so that every bite, you've got every ingredient on your fork. We're gonna add a little pop of pepper all over, and bam! There you have it! Asian sesame chicken salad veganized. This very popular signature salad dish is healthy, satisfying, packed with protein, and very filling. And you did it in minutes at home. This looks like it came out of the restaurant kitchen and is being delivered straight to your table.
Now for the taste.
Subscribe.
It's a hit. These are the kind of salads that we do in our restaurant. You can make these at home. It's not hard to make. We use simple ingredients. We veganize it. If you like my content,
Subscribe.
I've created like 45 videos of all restaurant recipes that are veganized.
Interested in my customized utensils, apron, shirts? Go to madebyMydra.com. See you next time.